In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code a calendar in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile productivity tool, and customizing your calendar with color coding can greatly enhance how you organize and visualize your tasks and events. So let's jump right in and walk through this useful process together. First, you'll want to open your calendar database in Notion. This is your starting point, where all important events, tasks, and deadlines are already laid out. Make sure you're in the database view, as this allows for the most flexibility in modifying and organizing your information. Next, look for a small plus sign near the top of your calendar. Clicking this sign will allow you to add a new property to your database. Properties in Notion are what allow you to add, categorize, and sort different types of information. In our case, the property we are interested in adding is one that will help us organize our calendar entries with colors. When you add a new property, you'll need to decide on the type of property you're dealing with. Look for a drop-down menu where you'll select the type called Status. This selection is crucial because the status type allows us to assign different categories to our events, and most importantly, it can be color-coded. Now, with the status property selected, you have the foundation needed to color-code your calendar. Once you've created the status property, take a moment to think about the categories that suit your needs. These might include different phases of a project, priorities, or even personal versus work tasks. Create labels for each of these categories within the status property. After naming these labels, assign each one a distinct color that resonates with its purpose. For example, you might choose red for high-priority tasks, yellow for medium, and green for low priority, or perhaps use blue for work-related entries and orange for personal ones. Assign colors that make sense to you, as this will ensure a more intuitive and visually coherent calendar. Now that you've set up your categories and chosen your colors, it's time to apply them to your calendar entries. You'll go through your calendar and assign the appropriate status to each event. As you do this, you'll see your calendar transform into a colorful and organized visual aid. This not only makes navigating your calendar easier, but also helps highlight different areas of focus at a glance. And there you have it, a beautifully color-coded calendar that not only looks great, but also enhances your productivity. Remember, you can always adjust your colors and categories as your needs change. Notion's flexibility allows you to make adjustments quickly and easily to truly make your calendar your own. Thanks for joining me in this guide today. Happy organizing, and may your newly color-coded calendar bring you peace and productivity.